Hello and welcome to MGR Piano Academy. In today's quick tutorial, I want us to learn how to play piano instantly. Piano is one of the most seem to be technical instruments that normally requires a lot of dedicated practice that normally takes a lot of time. But in today's quick tutorial, I want us to learn how to play it instantly, and you get motivated to learn even more other things in the piano. To begin straight away, but before I begin, I make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the upcoming videos, the upcoming piano lessons. To start straight away, the piano keyboard is made up of pairs. We have the 2 black key pairs and the 3 black key pairs, and these combined, it shows us the octave. What we call the octave is the beginning, they are like groups or sections of the piano. And those octaves, don't mind about the technical terms. I'm going to break them down into simpler terms. Now the octave has contains all the 7 tones, all the 7 notes of the solfa notations. Hope you have ever heard of solfa notations. Solfa notations are these that go do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Yeah, those are the solfa notations. And where you see the 2 black keys, we have a white key. The first key is C in the naming of the keys, and this becomes our do. Where you see the 2 black keys, the first one is our do in the solfa notations. I'm demonstrating this in the basic key of C major, so that you understand it and you'll be moved. In the future, you will apply it into the different keys. But for now, we're using the key of C. The 2 black keys, the first white key is our do. And going in chronological order up to another part, you can see that it is repeating itself. Where you see the 2 black keys, the first one is our do. Therefore, we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, and again do. You can notice that 2 black keys, the first one is do. Again, to demonstrate further, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. 2 black keys, the first one is do. Therefore, the moment you realize these, you can go ahead and master them, that this is do, re, mi, and then you can start applying your different rhythms. All songs are written in these notes or in these solfa notations. You can demonstrate with this popular song for Yvonne Chaka Chaka. It's popular in South Africa. It's called, it goes like this: mi, do, 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 la, do, ti. If you notice, that woman was actually singing the solfa notations in that song. And when I go ahead and apply those solfas the way she was singing them, they will sound exactly the same as she sang them in that song. You can notice that, just to demonstrate again, 2 black keys, the first one is do, for do, re, mi. And again, if you are coming from downwards, 2 black keys, the first one is do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. We have la, ti, and we have do, re, mi. And the song was going mi, do, do, mi, do, do, mi, do, do, mi, do, 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 la. Remember, this is la, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Do, la, do, ti. Have you seen that? Mi, do, 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 la, do, ti. Mi, do, 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 la, do, ti. Yeah, you can go ahead and apply different solfa notations in this same key, and you will be actually motivated. And you can use this to impress your friends. You can go ahead and go into the internet and search different solfa notations. The moment you know the solfa notations of a song, you can easily play them. You can easily play that song on the piano. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below about what you would want to learn about in the next video. Thank you.